Hello everyone! Welcome to Mathematics 7. Ako po si Teacher Karen na magtuturo sa inyo tungkol sa in organizing data naman, we have frequency distribution table. So, one way of organizing data is the frequency distribution table. A tally mark is used to record how often a particular scores or number occurs. The number of times a score or number appears is called frequency. Construct a frequency distribution table. First, list the scores or numbers from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, or i-list yung lahat ng objects na sinorvey. Then, use tally marks to record how often each score or numbers appear. Count the marks and record in the frequency column. Okay. For example, construct a frequency distribution table for this set of scores. So, ito po yung mga scores. So, bibilangin natin sila kung bawat isang score dyan, kung ilan ba yung nakakuha ng ganung score. For example, we have a frequency distribution table dito. 3 columns siya. The first column is the scores. The second column is the tally mark. And then the frequency. So, I will arrange the scores from highest to lowest. So, the first one is 36. So, we will count how many got 36 points. 1. Only 1. So, this is the tally and this is the frequency. Next, 35. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5. Next, 34. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is 3. Next, number 33. 33. 1. 1 only. And then now, 32. 1. Only 1. And then 31. 1, 2. Okay. And then 30. 1. 30. 2. Then 29. 1. Again, only 1. And then 28. 1, 2. Then 27, 1, 2. 2 ulit. And then we will count them all. That is, add natin dito lahat. That is 20. So let us exercise. Use the frequency table to answer the questions after completing the table. Selected students of Parañaque National High School, Maine were asked about their favorite color and the results were shown below. Okay, favorite color, for example, black. So, they got 6. In blue, they got 19. Orange, we have 2. Purple, we have 6. Yellow, we have 4. Red, we have 3. And then pink, we have 40. And then green, we have 24. Okay. Question: what is the total frequency? So we will add all of them and then we will get 104. Then, what color was the most favorite? That is pink. So, 40 po yung nagkaroon ng gusto ang pink. So, so ang color na pink, that is the most favorite. Then, what color was the least favorite? That is orange. Kasi 2 lang siya. Yung frequency niya is 2. Then, how many students like green? 24. Yan. How many students like purple? That is 6. How many students like red? That is 3. And then how many students like orange? Is 2. Okay, so how many students like black more than orange? So that is 6 minus 2. So 6 yung black, 2 yung orange. So that is 4. Next, how many students like blue more than yellow? 19 minus 4, that is 15. So 19 yung blue, 4 yung yellow. So 19 minus 4. How many students were surveyed? All in all, that is 104. So that's it. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.